Alright, today we're going to do a simple unboxing video of the Neewer 18 inches ring light, and I will tell you all about it or show you the unboxing on the other side of this intro. No, on the other side of the intro. Right after the intro. £14 of muscle. So this is my 18 inches Neewer ring light that I received from Wiz Korea. This is my third ring light. The first one that I bought, I paid $169 for it. This one I paid $49 for it because I used my friend Saskia Lee discount code on Amazon. You can check out his YouTube channel as well. I will leave the description in the box below. So let us unbox this 14 pounds beauty. Alright, I don't know what's the use of this box because this is fine. So this alone feels like it weighs 3 pounds. So that means I could have paid less money to clear it. So, oh, damn, send it on my face. So let's see what is in this box. This is the tripod that, oh no, that's in there. This is the tripod that comes with the ring light. It's very lightweight, sturdy. I know because I have 2 more of these back at home. Where it looks like it. Alright, so the ring light comes in this bag. Not sure the material it's made from, but it's a really pretty cool bag. But it's cotton, nylon. What do you think?
Not cotton.
Not cotton. But yeah, it can be used for other things, other carrying of items other than the ring light. So let's see what's in the bag. So this is the charger that comes with the ring light. This orange diffusion panel, a little trick to it. You can probably set the white balance in the camera to blue, and once you use this on your ring light, the background will be blue, but you will still have a natural tone. It comes with a phone holder. This is referred to as the gooseneck. I don't ever use this because one, I can't bend it. No, wow, I bent it. Interesting. Okay. Trigger. This connects with the phone via Bluetooth. Everybody should have one of these, especially if you're using your phone to do your YouTube videos, which I still do sometimes, but now I'm using my D750. Still trying to figure out what the hell this is, but I promise you I might not use it any at all, but it comes with the ring light. Found it. Something that we Jamaicans never ever use, the instruction manual. We prefer try and fit it up ourselves and mash it up 20 times before we even look to this, I promise you. Yeah, we just, you know, we just swing it and do it until it hurts. Last but not least, the ring light itself. 18 inches of beauty. I honestly prefer it big because some people use the 8-inch and the 10-inch ring light. No disrespect to them. Buy what you want, buy what you can afford. However, the bigger the light is, naturally, you know, the larger the light source you can get, and hopefully the more powerful the light you can get from it. So I prefer the 18 inches, and soon hopefully I'll probably get one of them 21 inches RGB lighting. Make that thing turn. So it comes with two diffusion panels. This is the clear one that is already on it. If yours come and it don't depend on it, please don't come for me. Alright? Amazon just likes me better. I still know what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually fit up the ring light for you and show you exactly the kind of power you can get from it. Wait a second. Alright, so this connect the card, connect to here. And I'm going to plug it in to show you what we get from it. I'll turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. Please tell me you see the difference when I had light versus no light. Let me just put it over here. You raise me up so I can climb on mountains. Don't do me that. Alright, so it is off. I'm going to turn it on. Full power. Obviously, it must have tear off the whole other side of my face. So I'm going to turn it down. Nice! Whew. I look pretty, right? Alright, so this is one of the reasons why you need lighting for your videos. Of course, you can use window light because that is what I have been using before I plug this in. But the lighting is very good if you do not have an external light source. However, once you receive an external light source, your game will be tripled. Because I was using window lighting a while ago and I'm pretty sure it was fine. But you add lighting to it, the quality of your video increases tenfold. Thing is, I am working on another video that I'm going to show you how you can increase the size of your 18 inches ring light even further without buying a bigger light. So you can look out for that video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please to like, share, comment and subscribe. Get down in the comment section, tell me what type of light source that you use to light your videos. Do you use a window light source? Do you use an 8-inch, a 10-inch or an 18-inch ring light like what I have? If you're looking to purchase a ring light, I will leave a description in the box below where you can get your ring light. Remember to massage the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. And to all my warriors out there, Godspeed. This must be it, please.